Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A1 Sportback. The car's got the daytime running lights with the low front fog lights. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, we have the 16-inch 5-arm design alloy wheels. 5 doors, making this compact car very convenient, with a single polished chrome exhaust, and the car's also the TFSI petrol engine. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the heated exterior mirrors with the black cloth front sport seats, a 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel with Audi's MMI display, air conditioning and a 5-speed manual gearbox. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi A1, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.